Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville, Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be going over the shift lock release. This is an important feature to know as it can be so helpful in emergency situations when the vehicle will not start. By engaging the shift lock release, you will bypass the shift lock to allow the vehicle to be shifted out of park while the vehicle is not running. This would be of great benefit, for example, if your battery died and the vehicle was in an unfavorable position, either on the road or in the driveway. By following these steps, you can put the vehicle in neutral and push it to a safer place. Typically, all automatic vehicles will have a feature like this. Let's get started. The vehicle is fully off, imitating what it would be like in a real-life scenario. What we are going to be looking for is a little slot or rectangular hole located near the gear shift. It will often be to the left or right of the gear shift, but may also be above or below, depending on your model. I will also be including some clips at the end of what this slot looks like on other vehicles in case you're having trouble locating it. For reference, I'm sitting in a 2017 Corolla. Once we locate the slot, we are going to pry off the piece of plastic to expose the button underneath. To do this, you can absolutely use your key in an emergency, or you can try it with the preferred method, which is a flathead screwdriver. That's what I'll be using today. This just makes it a little easier to pry off the piece without damaging any part of the plastic. Gently put the screwdriver into the slot and gently pull back to pry up the plastic. Put your finger at the top of the plastic piece to hold it up, then pull the screwdriver forward and pull the plastic piece straight up out of the slot. You will need 2 hands for this. I'm just replaying this again. So screwdriver in gently. Lift up, grab that piece with your finger. It will feel awkward to pull it up and straight out. You shouldn't feel any resistance pulling it out that way. This is the hole that we are now left with. Using your screwdriver or key, you can then push down and hold down the plastic inside. It is a plastic base that acts as a button. This releases the shift lock, allowing you to shift out of park while the vehicle is off. We will shift into neutral, and that way we can then push the vehicle into a safer spot. You can shift into whatever you want, but since the vehicle is not running and you can't operate the gas pedal to move, typically you would only care about moving it to neutral. Keep in mind that if you are in a slant, put your foot on the brake, as neutral will make you roll. Once you are moved to a safe location, you may shift the vehicle back into park and replace the plastic cap. And that is how to engage your shift lock release. Here are a few clips of where this release is in other models. This is a 2021 CHR, and it is to the left of the gear shift above park. This is in a 2021 Highlander, and it is to the left of the gear shift, looks a little bit wider above park. This is a 2019 Camry. In this case, it is above the gear shift, and it looks a little bit different. This is a 2021 Corolla hatchback. That's to the right of the gear shift. And this is in a 2019 RAV4. This one, again, is kind of a conspicuous place above the gear shift. And that is all for today's video on the shift lock release. I've been requested to do this video a few times, so I hope this helps. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville, Toyota. Thanks so much for watching. Drive safe. We'll see you in the next video.